Good morning children. Now today we are going to see about the third standard social. Unit 4 about safety. Safety na பாதுகாப்பாக இருக்கிறது. Okay. So how to be in safety? First of all, in this lesson, what we are going to learn, understand the safety measures to avoid accidents, how to avoid the accidents and what are the safety measures are there. ஆக்சிடெண்ட்டை தவிர்க்கிறதுக்கு என்னென்ன பாதுகாப்பு measures, safety measures are there. And then to know about the fire safety, fire accident and how to be the safe, and to know about the road safety. While we are traveling on the road, if accidents happen, if the car or lorry or bus anything hit on us, so what will happen, how about the road safety. And understand the water safety. Even in water also we are having the accidents may occur. So what are the, how to understand the water safety, and know about the electrical safety, electrical appliances while we are using in the house. So that is the electrical safety. Now our life is very precious and important, very precious and important. Accidents may occur at home, school, on the road and at other places also. So எங்கே வேணா accident may occur, home, school, on the road and at other places. We have to be cautious, we have to be careful to protect ourselves. நம்மளே காப்பாற்றிக்கணும், to protect ourselves from danger. So ஆபத்திலிருந்து காப்பாற்றிக்கணும். So we have to be cautious to protect ourselves from dangers. We can be safe by knowing the safety measures. So how to be safe, how to protect ourselves, we have to know about the safety measures. So what are the safety measures? So reasons for the danger or accidents. What are the reasons? So many reasons will be there for the accidents or danger. Reasons for the accident. So many accidents are occurring at any places. So what are the reasons? So one by one we will see the reasons for the accidents or danger. Or a accident. So first one, haste or urgency. First one is haste or urgency. Haste என்ன நடக்கும் அப்படின்ற மாதிரி, that is haste and urgency. அவசரமாக போய் இந்த வேலையை முடிக்கணும் அப்படின்னு, we are in a rush அப்படி போக்குறது, that is due to the accident. And then carelessness, கேர்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்காமல், எப்படி சொல்கிறது, பொறுப்பு இல்லாமல் இருக்குது, கேர்லெஸ்னஸ். தென் நெக்லிஜென்ஸ், அவாய்ட் பண்ணுறது. அண்ட் தென் லேக் ஆஃப் அவேர்னஸ்னால் விழிப்புணர்வு இல்லாமல் இருக்குது, இந்த இப்படி போகக்கூடாது. nowadays the COVID-19 is there, so they used to wear the mask, they asked to wear the mask, but most of them are not wearing the mask because of the awareness கிடையாது, அது என்ன வந்துடும் அப்படின்ற மாதிரி. ஸோ லேக் ஆஃப் அவேர்னஸ். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஒன் இஸ் ஹேஸ்ட் ஆர் அர்ஜென்சி, அண்ட் செகண்ட் ஒன் இஸ் carelessness or negligence, and third one is lack of awareness. Lack of awareness. So this is the reasons for the accidents. And another reason is indifference or contempt. Indifference or contempt, violation of rules, then lack of formal training, violation of rules, lack of formal training. And not following safety measures, not following safety measures. So these are the reasons. Violation of rules are follow பண்ணாம போகிறது. Then lack of formal training, some people they won't have the proper training, straight away they will come to the work. So that because of the lack of formal training and not following the safety measures, even though if they are given the safety measures, they won't be following properly. So these are the reasons for the accidents. In our lives there are accidents caused by fire, water, electricity, vehicles and toxic organisms, sharp weapons and gas works and pesticides and so on. So many accidents occur by, the fire, water, electricity, vehicles, toxic organisms, and sharp weapons, and glassware, glass articles, and pesticides. That is the medicines used for the crops and all pesticides. So all this they are given here. You see the fire, water. Take a book, page number 159. So the vehicles and toxic organisms. That is the, see here they are given that. Snake, like that organisms, and then pesticides is medicines used to kill the lice or flies, like that, and sharp weapons as a glassware and a knives. And what is the first one is you are going to see the fire safety. So what are the fire safety? Out of the fire safety. Every fire safety how we are going to safeguard from the fire safety. So fire safety is, first one, fire is the man's marvelous creation. So without fire, nowadays we can't live, because this fire used only we are cooking and doing everything. So that is a marvelous creation created by the man. And fire can create and destroy things. It can create as well as the destroying. And fire is used in many ways in our everyday life. So daily life, fire is very important. We are using in everyday in many ways. And we should handle it carefully. So carefully we have to handle everything. Okay, what are the reasons for the fire accidents? Fire accidents can occur in the following ways. So many fire accidents while you are firing the crackers and explosives, and electrical short circuit, and leakage in gas cylinders, and highly inflammable things. That is crackers and explosives, patasu vagaigal, vedi vagaigal. Then electrical short circuit, electrical use பண்ணும்போது any wires are cutting or any short circuit, that also will cause a fire accidents. And leakage in the gas cylinders, any leakage is there. And highly inflammable things, highly inflammable, petrol, kerosene, adalla inside the kitchen we should not keep it. So these are the reasons for the fire accidents. Okay, so இது வந்து வீட்டில் the day to day life we are seeing this might happen in the day to day life. But how does the forest fire, suddenly some even few days also we have seen that Amazon forest has got the fire, suddenly it got fire. So how does the forest fire occur? Okay, so we will see that. Next, our precautions to avoid fire accidents. So think children, how does the forest fire occur? In the next class I will say that. Now the precautions to avoid the fire accidents. What are the precautions? How to be safe, how to be careful, precautions of fire accidents. So how to be careful in fire accident. We should handle highly inflammable things carefully. Highly inflammable means that kerosene, petrol and all, we have to be handle it carefully. Second one is the person who cooks can wear cotton clothes. While your mother or your sister or whoever the elders are there, while they are cooking, they have to wear only the cotton clothes. Some type of clothes can easily catch fire. So some types of the clothes is a fire catcher. We should close the cylinder valve after cooking. So after cooking the cylinder, cooking, we have to close the cylinder. If we detect leakage in gas cylinders, we will open the doors and windows to ventilate our house. Suppose if there is a leakage in the gas cylinders, so what we have to do immediately, we have to open the doors and windows of your room or kitchen. And don't play with the fire, do not play with the fire. And we should be cautious and careful. Cautious means be very, very careful. And while firing the crackers, and elders should be with us when we fire crackers. So while we are firing the crackers, elders they will be along with us. Then only we have to be firing the crackers. So what are the precautions to avoid the fire accidents? First, we should handle the highly inflammable things carefully. Handle inflammable things carefully. எளிதில் பற்றக்கூடிய inflammable, that is kerosene and diesel. Inflammable things carefully. Then This is the first one, and second one is while we are cooking, while cooking, wear only cotton clothes so that it won't catch fire easily. If you wear any nylon or polyester or like that, it will catches fire. If the fire accidents occur, that will catches fire easily in our clothes. So we have to wear only the cotton. While cooking, wear cotton clothes only. Okay, and then the next one is close the cylinder. That is the main thing. Close the cylinder after cooking. Close the cylinder after cooking. சமைச்சு முடிச்சதுக்கு அப்புறம் we have to close the cylinder. Next, fourth one, if we detect the leakage, if there is a leakage in the cylinder, what we have to do? We have to open the doors or windows in the place. If there is a leakage in the cylinder, we have to open the doors and windows of the room. Doors and windows. Of the room or kitchen. Okay. Then don't play with the fire. You should not play with fire. Unnecessary தேவையில்லாம we should not play with fire. And the next one is we should be cautious and careful while we are firing the crackers. So while firing crackers, we have to be careful. Okay, so we have to fire crackers along with elders. So these are the precautions of the fire accident. So have you seen the fire extinguisher? Yes, even in our school also we got the fire extinguisher. If something's fire accidents occur, this fire extinguisher, we can take this as a small gas cylinder mari irukum. So fire extinguisher which if we press it, the soap bubbles like that it will come, it will reduce the fire. So that is the fire extinguisher. In all the schools it will be the fire extinguisher will be there. Okay. So these are the reasons for the fire accident. Precautionarily we have to take the steps to the fire accidents. Okay. What to do during the fire accident? Suppose if the fire accidents occur somewhere, suddenly if the fire accidents occur, what will happen? What we have to do? So suppose if the fire accidents, what to do? What to do during the fire accident? Suppose in the இடத்துல திடீர்னு fire வந்துருச்சுன்னா, what we will see, sometimes the fire engine, we will see the fire engine horn. So if fire engine horn கேட்டதுன்னா, we will feel that somewhere the building has got a fire. So immediately they will make a call to the fire engine. And fire accident, we have to dial the number 101. So for fire engine, we have to call 101. So first one is what to do the fire during the fire accident. So for fire accident, first use fire extinguisher. If you are in schools or anywhere where they are keeping the extinguisher, we have to use the fire extinguisher to destroy the fire. Then execute the fire warning system in the buildings. In some of the buildings they will have the alarm system. So execute the fire warning system. Fire warning system in building. Okay, execute the fire warning system and cover your mouth and nose with a wet cloth when the smoke spreads. Suppose if the smoke spreads inside the building, you first cover your mouth and nose with wet cloth. So that one is cover your mouth and nose. Listen carefully children. Cover your mouth and nose with wet cloth. With wet cloth na enna ஈரமான துணி wet cloth. When the smoke spreads, smoke and the fire வந்ததுமே smoke அப்படியே வரும். So immediately what you have to do, you have to cover the mouth and nose with wet cloths when smoke spreads, and use a sack to put off the fire. So what you have to do if suppose suddenly there is a fire, or even if a person catches fire in the clothes, so you have to put a sack. So the sack put full body full spread பண்ணி cover பண்ணிட்டா the air won't go inside. அப்போ air உள்ளே போகலன்னா the fire spread ஆகுது. காற்று வேகமாக நம்ம வரத மாதிரி ஃபயர் ஆக்சிடென்ட்னா we should not run. If we run, it will spread fast. So use a sack to put off the fire. Use a sack to put off the fire. Put off the fire when it spreads over the body of someone. When it spreads, மற்றவங்க மேலே ஸ்ப்ரெட் ஆகாமல் spread over body of someone. Okay children, then bring the person to an airy place. So after that அந்த person நல்லா காற்றோட்டமான இருக்கிற இடத்துக்கு கூட்டிகிட்டு வரணும். Bring the person to the airy place. Airy place na காற்றோட்டமான இடம். Okay, so these are the what you have to do during the fire accident. First one is use the fire extinguisher. Execute the fire warning system in the building. That is the alarm system will be there in the building. You have to press the alarm system. And cover your mouth and nose with wet cloths when smoke spreads. And the smoke spread aachuna, you have to cover the mouth and the nose with a wet cloth na ஈரமான cloth na. And use a sack to put off the fire when it spreads over the body of someone. If yaar odamliyadu catches fire means you have to put the sack and cover it. Then bring the person to the airy places. So who's got the fire accident, you just cover the person and then you can bring them to the airy places. Now when your clothes get fire, what you have to do, you shouldn't run. You should not run if your clothes get fire. If you run, what will happen? If you run, the fire will spread rapidly and the fire it will spread fast. And after that you have to drop down. As soon as you got fire, you just drop down and roll on the ground. So to inform any fire accident, you have to call the fire engine 101. Okay, what we should not do? What you should not do? Fire accident, what we should not do means, if there is a fire burn in your skin, you shouldn't apply pen, ink or coffee powder on it. If you apply, it will infect the burn. So you should not apply any pen, ink or the coffee powder. If you apply, the infection, that burning place will get infected. And don't prick it with the sharp things like needles. Needles mari irukradhu, don't prick it. You should not prick it. Kuttakoodadu. If you prick it, it will infect that also will infect the burn. So if what you should not do, if there is a fire burn in your skin, you shouldn't apply any pen, ink or the coffee powder on it. If you apply it, it will infect the burns and the burns alla adha affect pannum. And don't prick it with the sharp things like needles. So needles la vechi adha pick pannakoodadu, kuttakoodadu. If you prick it, it will infect the burn. It will infect the burns. Okay children, so this is about the fire accident. So what to do during the fire accident, we have seen how the fire accidents occur and what are the precautions we have seen to avoid the fire accidents, and what to do during the fire accidents and what you should not do during the fire accidents. So these are the things we have seen in this lesson. Okay, thank you children. We will see the next one in the next class.